Good evening out there. Shalafia lewa KKP Emino Shiwane Alafia. Okay, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm making this video as regards the pending issue about myself and the content creator that defamed my character and also put out there wrong information about my HIV status.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká wá nǹkan fìdílé kí a gbọ́ nǹkan tí DAYO AMUSAN tí ó ní láti sọ nípa àwọn content creator àti àwọn tí wọ́n máa ń set ring light láti máa sọ ìsọkúsọ nípa àwọn public figure àti celebrity lórí social media. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Which has went viral, having people have different impression and opinion about me. But then I did promise I was going to make him a scapegoat, which of course I did. But like I said, I'm not going to take much of your time. Along the line, I got to realize he just lost his mom. Along the line, I got to realize he's just a 27-year-old boy. Along the line, I got to meet a couple of his relatives, including his uncle lawyer. And along the line, they were, they actually reached out to some certain people I respect so much. And okay, yeah, everybody was like, DAYO, this, blah, 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 blah. But I realized that in as much as I really, really want to make a scapegoat out of him, I don't see myself, having a 27-year-old boy with a bright future being remanded in prison, especially with the fact that he just lost his mom. So, well, I just felt the need to, withdraw, the charges against him. Most especially now that, it's out there that if you misbehave on the social media platform, if you pass informations that are not verified, and want to and like I said, I don't see myself, you understand, having a 27-year-old boy remanded in prison. So for that reason and some other reasons, I chose and I decided to withdraw the case, which I have done actually. But I believe in that little space of, back and forth in the last few weeks, he must have really, really, really learned his lessons. And for those of you that are still coming after me, telling me, he has apologized, blah, 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 calling me names, saying all sorts of, rubbish on comment section. I saw some comments, from his post and all that. I don't blame you. So, and I don't owe you any job. You get what I'm saying? So, anyway, to my friends, family, and fans out there, okay, so I felt the need to give you an update on how far it all went, and that I decided, you understand, to forgive him, and at the same time withdraw the case. Despite his stupidity and foolishness. Having said that, I'm using this medium to also tell all bloggers, writers, reporters, journalists, and then the so-called social media analysts, the agbófinró, àwọn celebrities àti public figures that you think you can just, dive into our private lives and then start chanting trash. I'm saying this on behalf of myself and on behalf of my colleague. If you put out anything out there without making your findings, if you put out any misinformation out there, to defame our character and person, Barami, oh my baby, collectively, we will come after you, we will hunt you, and we will get hold of you and make sure, you understand, you pay for it. It is high time the social media space is being sanitized. Me, I no say make una no right within na one rights. I no say make una no put right, create content where you won't create. I no say make you no pass information where you won't pass. You are free, na free world. But if you write waiting you are not sure of, if you don't get your facts, before you write nonsense, if you don't get your facts, before you put out any stupid, rubbish publication out there that you are not sure of, that you don't have facts to back up, my darling, wọ́n máa gbé ẹ gidi gan ni ó dẹ̀ máa jìyà ẹ. I need you to understand that we are humans. Blood flows in our veins. As entertainers, we cannot take it upon ourselves to entertain and put a smile on your face and make you happy. And all you people think is how to defame us, how to write stuff about us, all in the name of trying to, get revenue from your platforms. Le máa rò pé fẹ́ máa pa owó. Ẹ fẹ́ máa pa wá lẹ́kún. Kẹ́yìn máa fi pa owó. Kẹ́ dẹ̀ rò pé owó yẹn ẹ máa fi ṣe nǹkan rẹ̀. Ẹ máa fi wo ẹjọ́. Ẹ máa fi wo àrùn, ẹ máa fi wo àìsàn. It is high time the social media space is being sanitized. So I not say make you no write what you want write. I not say make you no gbebonu. I not say make you no put one or two. Tete reyin tete pe ra yin ni social media analyst. Te koto bí mo la fojú te popo ushi lórí Facebook, lórí gbogbo àwọn social media platform. Te ma jókòó, te ma set ring light. Te ma sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé aláyé bí ẹni pé ó tì o, ẹjọ́ ń bá wọn gbélé. Te ma debate lórí ilé ayé aláyé bí ẹni pé ó tì o, ó ṣojú yín. Tọ̀tá yín ta báyìí. Èmi ò mọ̀ fún yín o, but tá bá rí ẹnikẹ́ni ni mo sọ, àti writer kan, àti blogger, àti whoever. This one no be cruise catching. Ariwo kọ́ ni music. Ṣó ti yé yín. Even with this so-called content creator, you see me make I come out, come catch any cruise. I no need am. But the guy self, he sabi wetin dey go on. You understand? Mo dẹ̀ ro ti kúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Torí mo nírú ẹ̀ lé. Mo nírú ẹ̀ lábúrò. Tí ó bá kí n ṣayé education àti gbé pé bóyá èèyàn ṣe kíní gan pápá gan máa bí lọ́mọ because he's just 27 years old. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Ṣó ti yé yín, èmi ò ní kẹ́ má kọ nǹkan tó bá wùn yín tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kọ. Mi ò ní kẹ́ má kọ nǹkan mi ò ná yín nǹkan tó bá wùn yín ní kẹ́ kọ. But make sure whatever you are writing is verified. Make sure you have your facts. Make sure you have evidence to back it up. Because if not, we will come for you. We will track you down. We will have you arrested and you will face the consequences of your actions unapologetically. Eléyìí ti lọ, ó lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká dé mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. On a final note, okay? Because, yeah, like I said, I do my HIV status like every year. You understand? The last result I had was like 7 months ago. But just to satisfy your curiosity and just because I see some people that are asking me, she get abi she no get, ìyá yín ló máa ní HIV. Kò yé yín, ìyá yín ló máa ní HIV. So I'm still going to post my very recent results that is less than 48 hours. You understand? For whom it may concern. Ẹ lè pick it up, bàbá rí ntẹ́fẹ́ fi ṣe, kẹ́ fi ṣe. But at the same time, I'm still going to say what I have said, I am repeating again. It is very, very important as an individual to know your HIV status. Okay? For your sake and for the sake of your loved ones. It is very important for you to know your status. In case you realize that you're positive, it is not the end of the world. You can still, live a good life, even with the fact that you're living with HIV. You understand what I'm saying? But it is good for you to know. So that when you know, it is very, very important for you to seek medical help. It is very important for you to see a doctor, do the needful, get your medications, and of course, continue to live a good life.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí DAYO AMUSAN tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí ó sọ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí arákùnrin content creator èyí tó wá post HIV status rẹ̀ tó ń sọ nǹkan tí kò ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹgbọ́n àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí màmá wa DAYO AMUSAN tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ó dàbọ̀.
And a well-protected life so as not to affect your loved ones and the beautiful people around you. DAYO AMUSAN is HIV negative. And I still remain HIV negative.